Hi children, this is your ANR sir. Today I have come up with some new problems from your chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables. From your chapter Linear Equations in Two Variables for class 9th students. For class 9th students, your problem reads like this: if 0a and b0 are the solutions of the following linear equations, find a and b. If 0a and b0 are the solutions of the following linear equations, find a and b. So 0a means what? In this equation, the value of x is 0 and the value of y is a. And b0 means what? The value of x is b and the value of y is equal to 0. So now first of all, let us replace the values of x and y in this equation. 8x minus y is equal to 34 by 0a. So x is equal to 0. So 8x will become 0. 8x becomes what? 0. Minus y is equal to a. So minus a is equal to 34 or a is equal to minus 34. A is equal to what? Minus 34. So now in this equation, let us replace the values of x and y by b and 0. In this equation, 8x minus y is equal to 34. Let us replace the values of x and y by this solution, what? b 0. That means we have to replace x by b and we have to replace y by 0. Then what happens? 8b, y is 0, so minus 0, so need not to write, is equal to 34. 8b is equal to 34 or b is equal to 34 by 8. If you reduce this, this becomes 17 by 4. So when you replaced the values in this equation, 8x minus y is equal to 34 by 0a and b0, you got a is equal to minus 34 and b is equal to 17 by 4. Clear? Now in the second equation, let us replace. What is the second equation? 3x plus 21 is equal to 7y. 3x plus 21 is equal to 7y. So 0a, that means your x is equal to 0. So this total term becomes 0. That means 21 is equal to, what is y? A is equal to 7a. 21 is equal to 7a or 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. So a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Now let us replace the values of x and y by b0. That means we replace the value of x by b and y by 0. Then what happens? 3b plus 21 is equal to 7y means what? 0. Let us take this 21 to other side. 3b is equal to minus 21. 3b is equal to minus 21, or b is equal to this side 3 multiplying, other side it will divide, minus 21 by 3 or minus 7. When we replace the values of x and y by 0a and b0, then you got a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 7. b is equal to minus 7. So now let us do another sum. Third one. What is this? Check. Which of the following is the solution of the equation 2x minus 5y is equal to 10? So what is the equation? 2x minus 5y is equal to 0. So now we have to check whether 0, 2 is the solution for this. If it is a solution, when we replace the values of x and y by 0, 2, then LHS should be equal to RHS. Then LHS should be equal to RHS. So now let us replace the values of x and y by 0, 2. 2, 0. 2 into 0. X means 0. So this becomes 0. Plus, here minus 5 into 2, 10 is equal to 10. So LHS is equal to RHS? No. LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So what is the conclusion? 0 and 2 is not a solution for this equation. 0 and 2 is not a solution for equation what? 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. Clear? Now let us check. 0 minus 2. So this becomes 0. Minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10 is equal to 10. So if this is the solution, what happened? LHS is equal to RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, then what happens? This is a solution. So 0 minus 2 is a solution for equation. What is the equation? 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. Why? When we replace the values of x and y by 0 and minus 2, LHS has become RHS. So 0 minus 2 is a solution. So now let us see 5 and 0. 5 and 0. So now let us replace the x by 5 and y by 0. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 5, 10. Minus 5 into 10, 0. So this 10 is equal to 10. Y term has become 0. So this 10 is equal to 10. What happened? LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So what happened is a solution. What is a solution? 5, 0. 5, 0 is a solution. 5, 0 is a solution of equation what? 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. So now let us see whether 2 root 3 minus root 3 is a solution or not. So in place of x, let us replace 2 root 3. 2 into 2 root 3 minus 5 into minus root 3. 2 into 2 root 3 what? 4 root 3. Minus into minus plus 4 root 3 plus 5 root 3. Is it equal to 0? 10? No, it is not equal to 10. So your LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So this 2 root 3 minus root 3 is not the solution for this equation. It is not a solution for the equation 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. This 2 root 3 minus root 3 is not a solution. Why? Because LHS is not equal to RHS. Now let us take half and 2. That means let us replace the value of x by half and the value of y by 2. And let us check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. So 2 into 1 by 2 minus 5 into 2. 2 into 1 by 2, 1. 1 minus 10. Is it equal to plus 10? No. Not equal to plus 10. So your LHS is not equal to RHS. So 1 by 2 and 2 is not a solution of the given equation 2x minus y plus 10. Clear? So now let us see one more example. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. And next, find two more solutions of the resultant equation. What is given? The solution of this equation is 2 and 1. That means if you replace 2 and 1, let us replace. So in place of x, you have to replace 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Plus, what is the value of y? 1. 3 into 1 is equal to k. 2 to the 4. 3 1 ja 3. Or 4 plus 3 is equal to k. Or k is equal to 7. So now you got is equation. What? 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So now we have to find two more solutions for this. Now we have to find two more solutions for this. So let us write this in standard form. What is the standard form? Y is equal to mx plus a. Y is equal to mx plus a. So let us transfer this 2x to other side. Y is equal to 7, 3y is equal to 7 minus 2x. 7 minus 2x. Clear? So now first let us take x is equal to 0. Let x is equal to 0. Then what happens? 3y is equal to 7. 3y is equal to 7, or y is equal to 7 by 3. So this is your first solution. What is that? 0, 7 by 3. 0, 7 by 3 is your first solution. So now let us take x is equal to, let us take x is equal to 1. Let x is equal to 1. So now let us check what happens. 3y is equal to 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? 5. Or y is equal to, let us take this 3 to other side, 5 by 3. So this 1, 5 by 3 is your second solution. So the two solutions are 0, 7 by 3 and 1, 5 by 3. Clear? I think you understood how to solve this type of a question. So tomorrow again I come up with some new problems. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching the video.